party started. That's right, we're chunking and dunking today. So we're gonna go do some smallmouth bass fishing today. Kind of a repeat of what we've done the last few weeks. Dove hunting has been less than stellar. Duck reports are not great, so I figured I might as well go fishing. It's kind of what I do anyway. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna get us some grub, get back on the road. We'll see y'all in a minute. Deep. A lot bigger than I expected. Good. Big old mad thing. Woo! Thanks for the bass, buddy. Big catfish.
I was sitting there, I'm like, oh, that's a big tongue gets over there.
No, if that was a bass, I'd be hooping.
Yeah,
I mean, he's
coming to help you, make sure you got it.
He's a damn nice catfish too. Oh, come on, it's too cold for that. Oh. Come on. Come on now. Give me your lip. I'm going to turn you loose.
I don't want to eat you. You are too big. Fish are angry in this part of the river. I'll let you go. Come on. Alright, I got him. There we go. Now that's how you start the day. Good Lord.
That's how you start the day. He's going back because I'm looking for eaters, and I don't call a 10 or 12 pounder an eater.
Okay, let's do this so he doesn't leave with my grips. Oh. Well, that was definitely not what I expected. It's a good problem to have, though. Fish are too big. Bad thing is he soaked me and I'm cold. It's kind of chilly this morning. Fella said the water was 66 and a half. And it feels a lot colder than that. It's only 65 outside. 65, 70. I don't know what it is by now. Oh, I just broke that hook. Daggone it. Just broke that one. Boy, I was lucky to get that fish in. Well, I've got one hook left on that dip worm. I'll swap it out. These dip worms are old. I've had them for a long time. Need to put new hooks on them. There's a new hook right there. Might have jinxed myself getting a stringer out. But I'm perfectly fine if I don't catch another fish today. I'm just not having a good time. Good to hang out with Chad. I don't get to see him a whole lot anymore. Between work, family, and his tournament schedule, he's pretty busy. I usually fish on Friday. Alright, probably isn't another one. Typically if there's one great big one, there's not more. At least that's how it used to always be. But I'm going to give it just a bit. Little dude made Douglas stick work for it. It's a good rod for it though. A lot of fun. Too many people overpower their setups, too stiff a rod, and then they can't enjoy stuff. Like on my whisker seekers, that would still be a fun fish because they're mediums, moderate actions. But with these heavy rods, they're not fun with littler fish. That's my little raptor. There we are. That's more like it. Well, I mean, the other one's not a bad thing. These little dudes are delicious. I can get that. What's bait's getting right. Put this one in the middle. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Come on. Fish. Damn it. 2 times. Huh. Now, we'll clean the fish. Full catfish. Alright, it's been a pretty productive morning. Chad's up there catching bass left and right. That's what Chad does. We all have our strong suits. My strong suit just happens to have whiskers. I'm gonna go ahead and get these cleaned up, put them in a bag, get them in the shade. That way I don't have to drag them all the way upstream. Alright, let's get these catfish cleaned. Clean off. Pliers. Fillet bag. I start my catfish cleaning procedure by making a slit on either side just forward of the dorsal fin. And then I trace along the backbone around the dorsal fin past the hard spot on either side. I follow that up with the skinning pliers and pull from the top toward the back on either side, working my way toward the tail. If it starts to get hard on one side, pull on the other, and it'll be easier.
follow that by tracing down the backbone with the fillet knife, staying on top of the ribs, working my way toward the vent. Then I push the knife all the way through, work my way down the backbone, all the way to the tail. Take time along the ribs to get every last little bit of meat, working your way toward the head, and then sever the fillet. And now you repeat the same process on the other side.
Nice bag of fillets.
Since I didn't bring a cooler on this trip, I decided to try a new tactic. I put the fillets inside the one bag, removed as much air as possible, placed it inside of another bag, and then filled it with the cool water from the river. I separated the two bags that way so any dirt or contaminants that could possibly in the water didn't taint the meat itself. Then stored it inside my kayak. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please take a second to hit the like button. And if you want to see more of these videos, hit subscribe and check out my other videos. I really enjoyed sharing my experience with you. Thanks for coming along.